Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Let's try this Sicilian. Maybe dragon. Dare play the dragon. And quick d5 here. He's going to play bishop c4. If I play e5. It's relying with bishop f5 here. Or is it something else? Might be interesting. Let's move the rook. c4, maybe rook c8. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure about the theory. What about, okay, if I take and then knight f4, is that coming up? Or knight d6 actually looks quite damaging as well, potentially. It's got all the squares covered at the moment. I'll just take it then. For knight f4. He's got the bishop pair. Would he really just want to do that? Oh, he gets the 8 pawn? No, maybe not. I'll just shift this one. So bishop f6, king g7. Actually, bishop f6, yeah, for bishop e7. It's got bishop e7. Could be annoying. Various annoying moves here.
Check.
Try and keep hold of that pawn. Right. A4 for a3. Knight e6. It looks a bit grim actually, this position. But knight e6, you can double my pawns. Probably less evil choice. Okay, what can I do here?
Check.
Try and take his pawns. Pardon me. Oh dear. A bit stuck. Yeah, I can go for my pawn over here. H5. I can fix this in bishop g3. Maybe that's an idea. H5. Okay, we'll try and get the king over here for king h6 now. I've got rook e6. It's not winning material like that just yet. Or there's king f6. Maybe it's a bit better than 4. Give me that pawn to dissolve. That would be nice. Rook b8 here. Bishop f6 though. Rook b6. Opposite coloured bishops. Because there's knight c5. I think king f6 first for rook b8 threatened. So rook b8 threatened for knight c5. That'd be quite funny. Seems to be not as bad as before. Way over here. Let's go over here. No, I'm not over there. Hallucination. Okay. Oh, he's got that A pawn, so that's his idea. and I'm going to be too slow on that A pawn, aren't I? Oh, there's no way of stopping his A pawn. There's a tactic for rook A5 for knight C5. Yeah, there's rook B5 check. Maybe that's worth playing here for rook B5 check. So knight C5 to pick up B7 before his A pawn wins completely.
Check.
Oh, that's not very nice. So 3 pawns each. I'll get this pawn over here. Bishop, was that checkmate just then? Dear oh dear. Now he's got this other vicious pawn, the C pawn, coming at me.
Check.
What about knight G3? Knight G3. Try and get this knight H pawn. There's bishop E3. I'll try and get the knight in. What else? I can try and drag this guy. I'm gonna have to sack the knight for his C pawn here. His pawns are actually really lethal all the time, it seems. So I'm getting H4. So the next pawn, let's try and just win the game with a pass pawn. That's H4. Bishop comes in H3. I don't know. He's got that one. Pretty much that's pretty bad. I don't know what that buzzing is actually. Some buzzing. Now just dropped a pawn. Great. Alright, can I get rid of his pawn with my bishop to try and draw this? If I ever get rid of his pawn, is that on the cards? Or not really? Actually, my king shouldn't have moved off that. What am I doing?
Check.
Or maybe I've got a point not to get mated. I don't know. Right, so he wins that. Is he going to mate with the 2 bishops after? Try and... Alright, if I just take his pawn here. Or wait a bit longer. Maybe I'll wait a bit longer. Gonna try and run. 20 seconds to do it with the 2 bishops. It's not that hard. Seconds to think about it. It was bishop f7, wasn't there? No, there wasn't bishop f7.
Check. Checkmate.
Ah, okay. Oh well. Let's have a quick look. A bit gutted. Oh dear, to lose after all that. Oh man. Is there anything going on? There's buzzing as well. It doesn't go well.
Check.
I think
Check.
interesting tactical moments in this.
Check.
Actually, that was one, wasn't it? Here, so Rook B8. Yeah. So Rook B8 here might be. It's not good for black though. Yeah. Or is it? I mean, is it comfortable drawing thing? It's opposite colour.
Check.
Hang on, let's see what's going on. It's opposite coloured bishops. Yeah, I think maybe that's. Yeah, it's not good, is it? But it is opposite coloured bishops. So this one, yeah, I thought I was getting back in the game a little bit. There was a mate in one. I thought there was a mate in one. We come up here. This bishop d8 is checkmate.
Check.
This pawn's really good. Okay.
Check.
Yeah, it wasn't that hard to make with the two bishops. It seems. Haven't got that many options with my king, so just waiting around for his bishops to
check. Checkmate.
Okay, thanks very much.